Hi everyone, hello, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to make paper butterfly. Okay, come on, let's get started. For that we need one paper. Take one square paper. I have taken 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. Okay, now fold it to half and then cut it. Can you remove the hand? Yes. See? Now fold it to half. Okay. Now for this pointed, we have to fold it like this. From both the sides. Okay, like this. Now this to this. And this to this. Same from next also. Fold it, turn it back. Oopsie. No. Okay, play with this. Take it with me. From back also we need to fold from here to here. Yes, when I'll say then. Okay, like this. Now fold it like this. Okay. Now fold it to half. Okay. This is upper part. Now fold it. One more fold and one more fold. Fold it on and on. See, it's ready. Now join it, fold it to half. Now join and this also fold it to half. Okay? See? Now we have to paste like this with the help of glue gun. See? Now take one ribbon or any thread. Okay, you take it. Okay. See, we have to tie like this to hang it on the wall. Okay. See. Now take some glue, put it in the middle of these two. And just paste it. Okay, like this. Take some glue, next side also. Okay, and paste it. See, it's ready. Our hanging butterfly. Likewise, I have made all different colors of butterfly. This is orange, blue, pink, red, yellow, green, and purple. See?
Wow!
Wow! Yes, see? We have different colors of butterfly. Okay, bye. Hope you like the video. Enjoy. Tani, say bye.
Uh-oh.
Bye.